In this video, we will learn about something, some example of synergy in nature or around us. We have so many examples. In order to understand synergy as a whole process or phenomena of creation of our worlds around us, we need to consider synergistic process is happening everywhere, naturally or with man-made operations as well. Don't you see and stares how nature is producing great results with a greater degree? One object or mindset such as physical component or living things meet with each others to create something amazing, miracles. Like a garden, it's a combination of plants, trees, flowers, grass, people's energy, all are synergy. Don't you see inside your own formation how mind, eyes, nose, lips, body, hands, bones, all are excellent in a combination that I'm just standing in front of you and we are doing everyday things is an excellent illustration of synergy. Digital electronics, smartphone, computer with that is a miraculous, man-made miraculous things. Formation of urban city, big buildings, huge landscape, natural landscapes, and what about the formation of our solar system, galaxy, and all these visual things which we learn about? What about these? Are these not a true example of synergy in which the feature of one object or mind combined with other feature of mind in such a way that both takes the strength from each other and make something incredible, make something very unique? So these are the highest examples which I can give you. There are so many list of things which we can see wherever there are two things or two minds or one thing or one mind combined together, there is a synergy is going on or will happen. The same thing with our emotions can create a synergistic relationship with everything, between people and between objects, between nature and man, and between different things of nature. So we are actually surrounded by synergistic process oriented objects and minds. And I give you some thought-provoking idea in this video. You need to discover more in details so that you can grasp true understanding of synergy and how it can be very helpful for managing your life and the people around you.